everyone, I wanted to come on and show a couple of our different prep tools, and we're going to do a little good, better, best comparison. Now, veggie noodles are a big thing right now, so we have a couple different tools that you could make those with. And first, we're just going to use the regular vegetable peeler, and this will make wide noodles. Okay, and of course as you go down more, it's going to make, as you have a bigger piece of vegetable, you're going to have a wider noodle. You can also get this with the spiral and slice. You can get the long strips. Okay, so that's good. Better if you just want the thin vegetable noodles, you can use the microplane coarse grater. And as you saw, you can have it stand up or you can have it flat on top of a bowl. So we're just going to run this over. And you just can go one direction and it shreds noodles. Now something a little bit faster than this is a veggie strip maker. It grates at the same size, but you can go back and forth, and it's very safe. You cannot cut yourself on it, so children can use it. And again, you can stand it up. It has the rubber feet where you can stand and use it, or you can put it on top of a bowl. I'm just going to stand it up because that bowl's a little small. So grate back and forth, and you get the same noodles. Okay, those aren't dropping. There you go. So the veggie strip maker is $14.50. You can use it like this for the veggie noodles. You can use it with potatoes for hash browns. There's many uses. All right, so that was our good, the veggie peeler, better, the microplane coarse grater, and best, the veggie strip maker. All right, see you next time.